Welcome to my channel. My name is Shady BTC and you are watching the Jumper. Okay, today we're gonna be talking about the Swift trading boat. The Swift trading boat, this is the boat here. We are talking about the Swift trading boat, and our next video is gonna be the comparison between Swift trading boat and the Mistral trading boat. So let's dive down. Okay. If you are a beginner, a newbie, or you want to start using the boat, the first thing you have to do is to go to your TG and search for Swift trading. Yeah, search for Swift came out. You click on it. You click on it. You click on this place. You see start. You click on start. Get started. The first thing is link accounts, state, wallet, settings, monitor, transfer, trade, snipe, copy trade, snipe, and affiliate. Okay. The first thing you do is you click on wallet. Okay. If you click on wallet now, it will ask you to connect. If you ask you for the wallet, whether it's BSC, Arbitrum, or Ethereum. Okay, depending on the wallet you want. But they are all the same thing. Well, if you click on BSC, same thing you do on BSC, same thing you can do on Arbitrum, same thing you can do on Ethereum. You can still use one wallet to link all of them together. Understand? So you click. Let's use BSC as a yardstick. You click on BSC right now, as you can see. This is the wallet. Actually, this is the wallet I've created already in the past. Understand? Okay. I created this wallet in the past, but what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna disconnect this wallet so I can show you guys how to do it. Okay, I'm gonna disconnect this wallet so I can show you guys how to do it. Okay, I just want to be sure that I'm not it's not my trading it's not my Telegram trading account I'm using. That's what I have to go and check. Okay, so now let's disconnect. I've disconnected already. Okay, now then okay, I've disconnected already. Okay, next you see these are gonna appear to you. Connect wallet. You can generate wallet. You connect wallet. That is, if you have an already existing wallet, you can connect it here. But it's usually advised to create a new wallet. Don't connect your old wallet. Create a new wallet. Understand? Create a new boot trading wallet for in case of things happen. No, anything can happen tomorrow. Understand? Nothing is 100% perfect. Let's generate new wallet now. Okay. As you can see, I've already generated my wallet address. This is my private key. This is my pneumatic phrase, or my recovery phrase rather. This is my recovery phrase. Okay. Now I've already created the wallet. Now the next thing I'm doing is to go back to that place and do my setup. Okay. Now click on settings. Okay, this is on settings. Now you have your the BSC. You're still on BSC. You have your anti-hog. You have your smart slippage. This smart slippage now is you can either off it or you on it. Understand? But usually advise to on it. The reason is very simple. Smart slippage it selects slippage by itself. You don't have to be the one to set a particular slippage you want to use. Understand? Anti-hog is also good for those who usually snipe liquidity. You understand? So when the day wants to hog, when he wants to pull the liquidity, your boat will just automatically sell off by itself. You know, the day might want to hog, but you yourself you don't know. Understand? But the boat has already known that one is trying to pull liquidity. It will automatically sell off by itself. Okay. So now you activate your anti-hog, as you can see. Then next thing is to set up the buy and the sell. You click on the buy. Okay. Now you have your auto buy, the buy. So if you click on auto buy, that means whenever you paste a CA here, or whenever you paste a CA on this boat, you automatically buy it. Understand? So you usually advise not to do it because you might mistakenly paste the wrong CA and your boat will buy it automatically. Your boat will buy it automatically. I'm sorry for laughing actually. Then the next thing is you set the maximum market cap you want the boat to buy. Let me say you want the boat, if you want to be trading a degen, you want the boat to buy, you don't want the boat to buy any market cap that's above 1 million. You just set it. You just put 1 million. Understand? Okay. Now you set the minimum market cap too. You want the boat to buy. As you can see, you set the minimum market cap you want the boat to buy. Okay. You put it blah blah blah. Okay. But I'm not setting it actually. Okay. Then the next thing is you set the minimum liquidity. Let's say you want the boat not to buy anything that the liquidity is less than $100. Understand? Or less than $2, less than $1, you know, stuff like that. Okay, you set the maximum liquidity you want the boat to buy. You don't want the boat to buy any liquidity that is above so let me say you don't want the boat to buy any liquidity that is above $1 million or thereabouts, something like that. Okay. Then the next thing is buy task. Okay, and this is the most important one to me. This maximum market cap, this are not. I don't see any necessity for that. Understand? Because a project might come that's actually worth it. That the market cap might even be 1 million, self, or even 50 million. I've seen 50 million. I've seen 500 million starting market cap. I haven't seen 1 billion starting market cap. So such project now you can buy it both if you have set your maximum market cap to be below that. Okay. Then the next thing is you click on maximum buy task. This is the most important one. Understand? You select the buy task. You don't want this boat to buy. They don't want this boat to buy any project that is above let's say when the tax is 20% or 10% or thereabout. Okay, you can just say 10%. You cannot buy anything above 10%. So if you paste a CA that is above 10% on this boat, it will not buy it automatically. You have to be the one to activate the buy. If you don't, the boat will not buy. Understand? So the next one is sell task 2. Okay, if let's say the project has a buy task of, you said the buy task to be 10%, I said the sell task, and the sell task is 10%. That means the boat cannot buy a project that has a buy task of 20% and a sell task of 20%. Or even if you said the buy task to be 10% and the sell task is 5%, that means the boat cannot buy the project that has a buy task of 10%, sell task of 10%. Understand? So the sell task have to be in line under the maximum set task which you set. Okay, so usually advise to set 10% or thereabout, or 15% thereabout. Okay, now the next thing is gas price. Okay, you set the maximum gas price you want, and there is it for the buy. Understand? Then let's return back. Oh, network, Nigerian network is a mess. Okay, let's return back. Okay, to where we are. The next one is sell. Next one is sell. You configure your sell. You can configure the boat. You don't need to be activating the sell by yourself. The boat, once you don't need to be confirming the sell by yourself. Once you click on sell, the boat will automatically confirm it by itself. Okay. Then the next thing is trailing sell and auto sell. Auto sell is maybe if you click auto sell, the boat will automatically say it might be take profit or stop loss. That's what it simply means in a trading language. What is like, let me say, when the project dips below 50%, sell off. Understand? When the project goes 200%, either sell off or sell 10%. You can sell the percentage you want for it to sell. Okay, let's talk about take profit. Let's analyze take profit now. Then this one, okay, sorry, this one is a trailing sell. Okay, this trailing sell now is if you activate it now, what it does is that, let me see, you set it at 50% take profit. At 50% lost. If you dip to 50%, stop loss. Understand? So if the thing increase, if the project increase by 100%, so now your 50% is now the 50% of that 200%. So it's now the 50% is now a function of the actual market cap of that particular project at that moment, or actual percentage you are at that particular your profit or your loss at that particular moment. You understand? That is what the trailing sell means. So if as the thing is increasing, the trailing sell is the trailing sell is calculating the 50% of that actual point. Okay. Now let's say you want to take profit. Take profit is sell high. Okay. If you click on sell high, as you can see, you can just add X2, which is 100%. At 100% sell. Okay. Then sell low is take profit at 50% minus 50, sell off. Okay. Then sell amount. This sell high amount, now the amount you want it to sell on the take profit. You can just click on okay, sell 50. That means if you say 50, that means it's taking 50%, which is at your initial capital. Understand? If you say 75, that means it's taking your initial capital and 50% of the profit. Okay. If you say 100%, that means it's taking everything. It's selling off everything. Okay. Now, if you say 0%, that means it's not selling anything at all. Okay. Now the next thing is sell low. Sell low is the amount you want it to stop at the stop loss. Might be at 50% deep. Sell 50% of it. That means it's selling 50% off the amount that is at that point. Okay. So if it is let me say you bought it $100 and you went to 50, and the thing dipped by 50%, which is $50 and you want to sell off 50%. That means you are selling $25 I leave them in $25. But you take stop loss usually better to just add it, sell off entirely. Understand? Okay, that is all for selling. So yeah, you have return. Now the next thing is approve. This approve now. You can auto approve. You don't auto approve. Once it automatically approve by itself. Okay, that is approve. Then the next thing is as you can see the slippage. We are already set it now. Maximum slippage, minimum slippage, blah blah blah. I think we are done with that one. Then the next thing is yeah, let's go back to our main menu. Since we are done with these ones now, the next thing you can do with this wallet now, you can copy trade somebody. Let's say you saw someone's wallet and you got a waste wallet, someone that is very good in trading. Now you just want to buy what the person is buying and selling what the person is selling. So you want the boat to be doing by itself. When the person buy your boat to buy, when the person sells your boat to sell. All you just have to do is just copy the person's wallet address. If you copy the person's wallet address, you just come here and okay, you click on this add wallet or contract. Once you click on add wallet, you click on add wallet now, you see ask you to add the wallet, just paste the wallet and send. Once you send it, the bot will automatically start tracking the person's wallet and buys what the person buy. Okay, that is it for copy trading. The next one is snipe. Sniping is sniping for liquidity. Snipe liquidity, you know. I don't know, most of you might have heard that word. You say one is sniping liquidity, or in Mesobot it's called using God mode. It simply means that I want to buy a project, like a project that has not yet been launched, but you got the ECA. ECA simply means LCA. You got the ECA of that particular project and you want to snipe immediately they're adding liquidity. All you just have to do is you click on this snipe, you click on add snipe. When you click on add snipe, you ask you to paste the CA of that particular token. You set the amount you want to buy on auto buy and everything. You set your slippage, smart slippage, or if you want, even put it 200%. Okay, so immediately they deploy the contract and they add liquidity. The put will automatically snipe into the liquidity. But usually I advise not to do that. The reason is very simple. They might say to scam you. They might say to blacklist you. Every things can happen. It has advantage, also have advantage. The advantage is that it's very, very high. It's high risk and high reward. Understand? You get to buy early before that people can buy. Then the disadvantage is that you can get blacklist, you can get points, every things can happen to you. So if you are sniping liquidity, make sure you have enough money. It's the money you can lose, afford to lose. Understand? Okay. That is all for this one. Now the next thing is where are we? Okay, that is all for sniping on liquidity. The next thing is now the trade. As your trade now, the trade you have is the wallet that is connected, as you can see. Then you click the actual trade at the moment. You know, it just the buy and the sells, and it gives you a brief and listen. Then transfer. If you want to send money, you want to transfer money, you want to transfer social BNB or social token to somebody, you can do it with this boot. Okay. Monitor. This monitor means monitoring your trade. The trade you are trading at the moment, it's when you click on it, it track the trade, track all your trades at that moment, at that particular moment. Okay, so that is basically all for now. And that is all about this Swift trading bot. Okay, so watch out for the next video, which is the comparison between Swift trading bot and Mesto bot. I'm doing the video right away. Okay, so my next video gonna be the comparison between the bot. So just stay tuned and. Moreover, please don't forget, do well to subscribe. I really beg you, just try and subscribe so that my videos could get to those who want to watch it. The higher the subscriber, the higher the ability to rank the videos. Okay, then please give us a like too, because a like will also help us to get more persons to get to see it. Please do give us a like if you really get something from this video. I advise that you should give us a like. Okay, and for those who are actually interested, because I hold classes, I host class, I do mentorship, I teach people, I train people on degen trading, DeFi, and I teach people on cryptocurrency. Okay, so if you're interested and you want to learn from me, okay, just slide in and hit my contact is there already. Just hit me up on WhatsApp and let's get to talk. Remember, it's not free version you have to pay; it's a paid version. Okay, but for those who don't have the money and they really want to learn, I also have a plan for that, where you can make instrumental payments, or you can make payment after learning. When you start making your money, you can choose to pay me. I choose to do that to people. I just want to be helping. That is my little way of trying to help. Understand? For those who don't have the money to pay, so I will train you. At the end of the day, when you have the money, when you start making the money, you will not decide to pay me. But if you choose not to pay, it's up between you and your God. Okay? Because I wouldn't want to do anybody bad. So I'm here to help you. So I believe that you should also reciprocate. The more reason why I'm charging for this training is that if I didn't charge, people will take it for granted. So that is the reason why. Thank you so much, and God bless. I really appreciate it. Thank you.